Did you know a single unauthorized or erroneous charge can slip past your notice, costing you money and peace of mind? It happens more often than you think. If you bank with EverBank and spot a transaction on your statement, whether it's an outright fraudulent charge or a billing mistake that you need to dispute, knowing the correct process is essential. You want to act fast, follow the right steps, and secure your money. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to dispute a transaction on EverBank. The most critical step in this entire process is acting immediately. Don't wait. Financial institutions have strict time frames, and the faster you report a suspicious transaction, the better your chances of a quick resolution. Step 1. Gather your details. Before you contact the bank, prepare all the necessary information. You will need your account information. This includes your account number and your personal details. The transaction details, the exact date, the amount, and the name of the merchant involved in the disputed charge. The reason for the dispute: is it a duplicated charge, an item you never received, or outright fraud? Be specific. Supporting documentation: this might be a receipt showing a different amount, an email correspondence with the merchant, or a police report if it's a case of identity theft. Having this ready will speed up your conversation significantly. Step 2. Contact EverBank directly. For most transaction disputes and unauthorized activity, you need to call EverBank's dedicated support line as soon as you notice the issue. For unauthorized activity on your account, or a lost or stolen EverBank debit card, call them right away. This is the number dedicated to security and fraud issues. When you call, clearly state that you are calling to dispute a transaction or report unauthorized activity. The representative will guide you through filing an official claim. For fraud cases, they will likely take immediate action, which may include freezing the card or account associated with the suspicious activity. You might be able to find relevant forms, such as an unauthorized debit card activity form, in the support or forms section of the EverBank website, but a phone call is often the fastest and most secure way to initiate the process, especially for time-sensitive matters. Step 3. Follow up with documentation. After your phone call, the bank may require you to submit the documentation you gathered in Step 1. They will likely send you forms to complete, formally initiating the dispute. Complete the forms accurately and promptly. Submit all supporting evidence to the address or secure portal they provide. This paperwork is what formally begins the investigation. EverBank will then work to resolve the matter, which involves investigating the claim with the merchant or involved parties. What happens next? During the investigation, EverBank may issue a provisional credit to your account. This is a temporary credit for the disputed amount that allows you to access the funds while the investigation is ongoing. However, this credit can be reversed if the investigation concludes the charge was valid. Investigations can take time, often a few weeks to a couple of months, so patience is key. Stay proactive. Keep a copy of every document you submit and a record of the dates and times of your phone calls, including the names of the representatives you speak with. This paper trail is your proof should any complications arise. Disputing a transaction can feel stressful, but by following these 3 clear steps, gathering your details, calling the bank immediately, and submitting documentation, you'll ensure the process is handled correctly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.